¿Cuáles son los básicos de diseño de cocina?
Basics of kitchen design in English. Vamos a repetir en español. We start to think about materials and colors. I couldn't sleep for a week. Si tienes que hablar en inglés como la reina y no como el presidente Trump. Hola, cocineros and hello kitchen fans. Today we've got a very special video. ¿Estás buscando comprar una cocina en los Estados Unidos, el Reino Unido, Canadá o Australia? Or perhaps you want to buy a kitchen in Spain, South America or Gibraltar? Tal vez solo estás buscando vocabulario relacionado al diseño de cocina. Whatever it is you're looking for, mientras que no seas catalán, este vídeo es para ti. Aquí en línea 3 tenemos identificado 8 tipos de distribución normales. Tenemos en línea, en paralelo, en U, en L, en una península, en una isla, como una isla tropical. Una doble L, que es un invento nuestro, y una distribución puente. Here in Linear 3 Kitchens, we have identified 8 distribution or layout types for you. In a line, in parallel, in an L, in a U, in a peninsula, an island, a tropical island, a double L, which is an exclusively Linear 3 kitchen concept, and a bridge type distribution. Después de ver la distribución, entonces empezamos a mirar materiales y empezamos primero con los muebles. Entonces, ¿de qué está compuesto un mueble? Pues tenemos el casco del mueble, el cuerpo, luego tienes la puerta, que puede ser laminado, polilaminado, o madera, o laca. El siguiente tipo de material que vamos a ver es encimera. Encimera es tremendamente importante porque si eliges una encimera de piedra vas a transformar por completo la cocina. Tenemos laminado, aunque aquí en línea 3 no lo solemos poner, puedes tener madera, pero lo más normal es granito o un cuarzo compacto, tipo silestone, o porcelánico. So once we've seen the layout of your kitchen, we start to think about materials and colors, and that means furniture, first of all. So what is the furniture composed of? Well, typically we're going to talk in English about cabinets rather than the furniture. Secondly, well, you've got the carcass, then you've got a door, which might be made from wood, laminate, polylaminated, or a hand-painted finish. If you're looking for a high-end kitchen over here in Spain, you're going to want to ask for lacquered. The next type of material that we're going to try and look at is worktops. The worktop is especially important. If you choose a stone worktop, it's absolutely going to transform your kitchen. So what are the main types of worktops that you're going to put in your kitchen in the UK? Well, you've got laminated, but you've also got granite, you've got ultra compact worktops, and then you've got your quartz worktops like Dialstone. And yes, I have been in a shop in the UK conducting research and asked for a price for silly stone. I couldn't sleep for a week. Such was my embarrassment, and I really don't recommend you make the same mistake. Yo creo que probablemente lo más importante es si tienes una distribución abierta al salón, que es muy popular ahora mismo, entonces deberías pensar en tapar estos electrodomésticos con una puerta, es decir, electrodomésticos integrables. Simplemente significa que desde el salón, cuando estás sentado en el sofá, no vas a ver un electrodoméstico feo, sino otra puerta y otro mueble más. One of the things that I'd really like you to bear in mind if you choose an open plan kitchen design for your kitchen is choose electrical appliances which are integrated. This simply means that you're going to have a door that's the same as the rest of the furniture, so that when you're sitting calmly in your lounge and you look at your kitchen, you don't have to see an awful electrical appliance staring back at you. Rather, a normal door, just like the rest of your kitchen. Si tienes que hablar en inglés, entonces recomiendo que hablas como la reina y no como el presidente Trump, porque eso simplemente está mal. So I'm going to give you a few quick recommendations for Americanisms to avoid. I'll tell you how they say it, and then I'll give you the correct pronunciation. So, countertop, worktop, faucet, tap, refrigerator, fridge, tomato, no, tomato, yes, racism, classism, much better. Hemos llegado hasta el final de nuestra clase para hoy. That's the end of our English class for today. If you'd like to see any content about kitchen design in English in this channel, let me know in the comments section below. Si quieres ver algún vídeo sobre diseño de cocinas, lo tienes súper fácil, solo tienes que suscribirte a este canal. Tenemos un montón de vídeos. I really can't carry on any longer because I've got an awful lot of homework to mark from all my students. Goodbye. ¿Te ha gustado este vídeo? Prueba este siguiente aquí porque es muy divertido.